What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to talk about something different other than Terra Luna Classic because I've been making a lot of videos on Terra Luna Classic, so I need something to mix it in. This is the month for probably Ethereum, Terra Luna Classic, and now Cardano, or I mean, technically before this date, it was for Cardano as well. But still, you're seeing this month very, very important in the crypto space, the crypto market. So I wanted to talk about Cardano's Vasil hard fork. Hopefully, I'm saying that right. I probably will butcher everything, but I wanted to talk about this and have a discussion, and also talk about my recent purchase in Cardano, as well as some movement that we have seen. So, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, feel free to follow me on Twitter. It does, help out with growth and all that stuff. But definitely check out my Patreon so you guys can get all these up to date information because I bought Cardano like a last week sometime, and now we're seeing it actually up a little bit. Not today specifically, but from when I bought it, it's definitely up. So like I said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go ahead and dive into this. So, we're going to go into this article a little bit and just read some stuff. Bear with me because I feel like I'm dyslexic. Haven't been diagnosed, but I definitely see the words at the end of the sentence before the words in the beginning, and the words in the middle before I see the words at the end. It's just all mixed around. So just bear with me. But basically, this is set for September 22nd. So this month, that's the target date. Cardano has set September 22nd as the date for its Vasil mainnet upgrade. Founder of the blockchain, Charles Hoskinson, announced on his YouTube vlog Friday. The hard fork was originally scheduled for June of this year and rescheduled twice. According to Cardano associated R&D company Input Output Hong Kong, which worked on the update. Three necessary critical mass indicators have been reached. The first one is 75% of mainnet blocks created by the final Vasil node candidate 1.35.3. Number two, approximately 25 exchanges upgraded, representing 80% of ADA's liquidity. That's a big deal. Number three, you're looking at the top 10 DApps of TVL confirming they have upgraded to 1.35.3 on pre-production and are ready for mainnet. Now, this is really, really big. Obviously, writing that 12 exchanges, 12 crypto exchanges, MEXC, BitTrue, are ready for the upgrade, while Binance is nearly there. Upbit, Coinbase, Whitebit, all these others are in progress. That's definitely a big deal there. Developers have promised a great scalability and lower fees from the hard fork, which will incorporate the first major upgrade to the Plotus script. The programming language used for smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain. Plotus was introduced in the previous upgrade named Alonzo, which took place in September of last year. We've started and knew that over time we could get to what Ethereum has done, but we understand a roadmap to get there. There's a lot of things on the horizon, especially in 2023. Now, obviously, this is a big deal to see this happen, obviously within this month, and you can see that September is very important for cryptocurrency. Now, let's look at Cardano. If you don't know, I actually bought Cardano. So if I go into my Patreon, you're going to see that I posted this 5 days ago. I bought Cardano at about 45 cents. Cardano is very close to the lowest price it's been in the past year versus the highest price that it's been in the past year. So we can definitely see some big detail that's going through it. I'm going to continue to buy it. I probably will buy a little bit more, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure. I do have a little bit of free money, so we'll definitely check that out. But you can see that I bought this 5 days ago, and bought about, I think it was like $300 worth. Where's that at? I don't know how much it costs. Oh, it's total of $1,000. Sorry, I bought $1,000 worth there, and I'm really happy with that. Thank you for subscribing. Whoever subscribed, I appreciate it. But yeah, let's go into Cardano. Let's see how things are rolling. So you can see Cardano is currently at 49 cents. It was at a high of about 50 cents, a little over 50 cents, 50.5 cents. And you see it at a low today of about 48 cents. You can see the volume that flows through it, $636 million that flowed through Cardano. The total supply you're looking at 45 billion. You could see that 76% of the total supply is out there. Um, at which you do have a $16.8 billion market cap. This is definitely one of the top coins. If you look at it on coin market cap, it's the top 7. If you look at the coins without the stable coins, you're taking out 3 or 4 stable coins at that point. And you're basically looking at a ranking of either fourth, I guess fourth or fifth, something like that. Fourth, fifth, third, wherever it is. It's a very high cryptocurrency. It's not third. I believe BNB is third, so should be fourth. Um, but anyways, you're still looking at a 49-cent price. I believe this can go a lot higher, and this is why I talked about this previously. If you look at where it is compared to where the low is and where the high is, the lowest in the last year is at 40 cents. 40.6 cents, and you're currently seeing it at 49 cents. So it's way closer to the low than it is to the high. And you're also seeing the 2.9 or $2.95 of a high here, which is way far away from where we are. So depending on how much you're actually investing, how much you're actually buying into the position, it's definitely showing the right deal. At least for me, it is. You know, I'm seeing a lot of potential in where this can go. So if we go to all history, we're going to see how this has increased, has held at some of these levels. And yes, this did fall down really around the same time everything else fell, not just Cardano, but it did end up falling here and decreasing a little bit, well, a lot of bit from that level of about $3 all the way down to where it is right now and holding pretty steady. Now, before this increase, it was at a level of about 9 cents. But this is good. This is good to see, at least some consolidation at these lows. And I expect to see so much more out of this as time goes on, because again, this is such a highly ranked position and highly beloved position as well. Now I'm gaining, I think, like 2% over on Coinbase with the amount that I have staked over there. And that's fine with me. I wanted to gain some sort of a percentage. I know you can gain a little bit more elsewhere, but I wanted to gain some sort of a percentage in the positions that I do have, in the platforms that I do have. So you let me know what you're thinking about Cardano. I like what I'm seeing here. Obviously, I think September is very important for the crypto market in general. And I feel like I'm about to sneeze. I don't know why I couldn't wait till the end of the video. Maybe it can. Anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me there. Don't forget to check out my Patreon if you want buys like these, sells like these, all this stuff. Remember, I did make this purchase 5 days ago, and I think you would have had an okay gain. It wouldn't have been crazy, but you would have had an okay gain, maybe 5% or something like that. Maybe looking at 10% of the position. So anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one.